everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm so glad you could join us today because we have something truly out of this world lined up for you. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast, a meme lover, or just someone who's curious about the latest internet trends, you're in the right place. So buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey that could take you all the way to the moon, at least in the digital sense. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Memecoins. These aren't your typical cryptocurrencies. Memecoins are digital currencies that started as jokes or internet memes, but have exploded in popularity, capturing the imagination of millions around the globe. From the iconic Dogecoin, which began as a playful nod to the Shiba Inu meme, to the latest viral sensations, Memecoins are shaking up the financial world in ways no one could have predicted. What makes Memecoins so fascinating is their ability to blend humor, community, and technology. They're not just about making money, they're about being part of a movement, sharing laughs, and sometimes even supporting good causes. The power of a meme combined with the reach of the internet can turn a simple joke into a global phenomenon almost overnight. You know, those fun, quirky digital currencies inspired by memes that are taking the internet by storm? They're everywhere, on social media, in the news, and even in conversations with your friends. Maybe you've seen people talking about going to the moon or sharing rocket emojis. That's the Memecoin spirit, a blend of optimism, humor, and a dash of wild ambition. But here's the real question. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to create your own Memecoin? Imagine coming up with a hilarious name, designing a catchy logo, and watching as your friends, and maybe even strangers, start talking about your coin online. It's not just a fantasy, it's something you can actually do. Ever dreamed of creating your own? Maybe you've had a funny idea for a coin name, or you've seen a meme that you think could go viral. Well, today, we're going to show you exactly how to turn that dream into reality. And don't worry if you're not a tech expert. This is for everyone, no matter your background. Guess what? You totally can. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz to do it. Thanks to user-friendly tools and step-by-step guides, launching your own Memecoin is more accessible than ever. You'll be surprised at how simple and fun the process can be, especially when you get creative and involve your friends or online community. We'll break it all down for you, from brainstorming the perfect meme-inspired name, to designing a logo that pops, to actually minting your coin and sharing it with the world. You'll learn how to build a community around your coin, spread the word on social media, and maybe even see your creation take off in ways you never expected. We'll walk through every step together, from picking the perfect name to launching your very own Memecoin. You'll see just how much fun it can be to bring your idea to life, and who knows, your coin could be the next viral sensation. It's going to be fun, easy, and who knows, maybe your Memecoin will be the next big thing. Imagine the thrill of seeing your coin's name trending, or watching its value skyrocket as more people join in the fun. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just as exciting as the destination. But first, remember, this is all about having fun and learning something new. The world of Memecoins is full of surprises, and while there's potential for excitement and even profit, the real reward is the experience itself. You'll pick up new skills, meet like-minded people, and become part of a vibrant, creative community. Of course, we can't ignore the risks and responsibilities that come with creating and trading cryptocurrencies. We'll talk about how to stay safe, avoid common pitfalls, and make smart choices as you explore this exciting new frontier. It's important to understand the basics of security, privacy, and the potential ups and downs of the market, so you can enjoy the ride without unnecessary stress. We'll also share tips on how to protect your digital assets, recognize scams, and be a responsible member of the crypto community. After all, the best adventures are the ones where you're prepared and informed. So, are you ready to unleash your inner meme lord and launch your own coin? Grab your imagination, your sense of humor, and maybe a few friends, because we're about to start an adventure that could take you to the moon and beyond. Let's do it. First things first, we need a killer name for your Memecoin. This is where you get to be creative and let your inner comedian shine. Think about popular memes, funny animals, or even combine your favorite things. Remember, a catchy name is key to making your Memecoin stand out from the crowd. Once you've got the name down, you'll need a cool symbol. Like, maybe it's MC for Memecoin or something that represents your coin's personality. Finally, decide on the total supply. How many coins do you want to put out there? Think big, but remember, scarcity can sometimes make things more valuable. Now let's gather the tools of the trade. No worries, we're not talking about complicated code editors or anything like that. We just need a couple of free online tools, Remix and MetaMask. Remix is like a digital playground where you can create your Memecoin, and MetaMask is like your digital wallet where you'll store it. Think of MetaMask as your trusty sidekick in the world of crypto. It's a browser extension that keeps your digital assets safe and sound. We'll use it to connect to the Ethereum or Polygon network, which is like the highway your Memecoin will travel on. Ready to launch this thing? Let's do it! With Remix, creating your Memecoin is as easy as pie. There are pre-made templates you can use, kind of like filling in the blanks. Just pop in your coin's name, symbol, and total supply, and Remix will do the rest of the heavy lifting. Once you've reviewed everything, it's time to deploy. This is where your MetaMask wallet comes in. It'll ask you to confirm the transaction and pay a small fee, kind of like paying a toll on that digital highway we talked about. And boom, just like that, your Memecoin is officially on the blockchain. Now that your Memecoin is live, you'll want to see it in your MetaMask wallet, right? This part's easy peasy. Just go to your MetaMask, click Add Token, and enter your Memecoin's contract address, which you can get from Remix. Think of it like your coin's home address on the blockchain. Click Add and voila! Your Memecoin will appear in your wallet, ready for you to admire. Pretty cool, right? Now you're officially a Memecoin creator. But we're not done yet. Let's get the word out about your awesome creation. It's time to introduce your Memecoin to the world. This is where things get exciting. To make your coin available for others to buy, you can list it on a decentralized exchange, or DEX for short. Think of it like a digital marketplace where people can trade cryptocurrencies. There are tons of DEX out there, like Uniswap or SushiSwap, and they make it super easy to create a trading pair for your Memecoin. This basically means people can swap other cryptocurrencies for yours. The more people know about your coin, the more valuable it can become. Now let's talk strategy. If you want your Memecoin to stand out in the crowded world of crypto, you need more than just a funny name or a cute logo. You need a game plan, a roadmap that takes you from a simple idea to a viral sensation. So how do you make your coin the next big thing? Let's break it down step by step. To give your Memecoin the best chance of success, you need a solid plan. Start by outlining your goals. Are you aiming for a quick viral hit, or do you want to build a lasting community? Think about your target audience. Are they crypto veterans, meme lovers, or total beginners? The clearer your vision, the easier it will be to make decisions down the line. This is where tokenomics, memes, and hype come in. These three pillars are the foundation of any successful Memecoin. Each one plays a unique role in capturing attention and building momentum. Tokenomics is all about the economics of your coin, like how many coins there are, how they're distributed, and if there are any special features. Will you have a limited supply to create scarcity, or a huge supply to make everyone feel rich? Maybe you'll add rewards for holding or a burn mechanism to reduce supply over time. These choices affect how people perceive your coin's value and potential. Memes are your secret weapon. In the world of meme coins, humor and creativity can be more powerful than any marketing budget. A single viral meme can put your coin on the map overnight. Encourage your community to make and share their own memes. The more people laugh, the more they'll want to join in. Create funny memes, GIFs, and even songs about your Memecoin to get people talking and sharing. Don't be afraid to get weird or silly. The internet loves originality. Host meme competitions, remix popular trends, and collaborate with artists or influencers who can help your coin go viral. The more creative content you put out, the more likely you are to catch the internet's attention. And don't forget about building hype. Hype is the fuel that keeps your Memecoin engine running. Tease big announcements, drop hints about upcoming features, and celebrate every milestone with your community. The more excitement you generate, the more people will want to be part of your journey. Get active on social media, join online communities, and spread the word far and wide. Engage with your followers, answer questions, and share updates regularly. The more visible and approachable you are, the more trust and excitement you'll build. Don't just talk at your audience, talk with them. The more buzz you create, the more people will want a piece of the action. Remember, in the world of Memecoins, momentum is everything. Keep the energy high, stay creative, and always look for new ways to surprise and delight your community. With the right strategy, your Memecoin could be the next viral sensation. Hold on a sec. Before you get swept up in the excitement of Memecoins and the wild world of crypto, let's take a moment to talk about something just as important as making gains: protecting yourself and acting responsibly. Before you go full speed ahead, it's super important to talk about safety and responsibility. The crypto space is full of opportunities, but it's also filled with risks that can catch even experienced investors off guard. Taking a few extra steps to protect yourself can make all the difference. The world of crypto can be risky, and it's crucial to be aware of the potential downsides. Prices can swing wildly in just a matter of minutes, and what looks like a sure win today could turn into a big loss tomorrow. Emotional investing, buying or selling based on fear or hype, can lead to costly mistakes. Remember, the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate a lot, and there's always a chance you could lose money. It's not uncommon for prices to drop by 20, 30, or even 50% in a single day. If you're not prepared for these ups and downs, you might end up making decisions you'll regret. It's also important to be wary of scams and fraudulent projects. The crypto world is unfortunately full of people looking to take advantage of newcomers. Always double-check websites, be skeptical of offers that sound too good to be true, and never trust random messages or social media posts promising guaranteed returns. Do your research, only invest what you can afford to lose, and make sure you have a plan before you put any money in. Treat crypto like any other high-risk investment. Don't use money you need for rent, bills, or essentials. Setting limits and sticking to them can help you avoid panic selling or overextending yourself. And never share your private keys with anyone. Your private keys are the only way to access your funds. If someone else gets them, they can take everything. Use secure wallets, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your recovery phrases offline and hidden. Security should always be your top priority. And hey, always remember to follow the law. Crypto regulations can be complicated and they vary from country to country, so it's important to stay informed about the rules that apply to you. Ignoring legal requirements can lead to fines or even criminal charges. Make sure you're complying with all the rules and regulations in your country, including tax laws and reporting requirements. Being a responsible crypto investor means protecting yourself, your money, and your future. Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy the journey. Congratulations, Memecoin masterminds! You've reached the end of our whirlwind tour of Memecoin creation. Remember, this is just the beginning of your adventure. There's a whole universe of possibilities out there. And with a little creativity, some savvy marketing, and a whole lot of fun, who knows what you can achieve? Just remember to stay informed, be responsible, and most importantly, have a blast along the way. Now go forth and meme your way to the moon.